Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have item for all upcoming graduation parties, the Yinkin 2024 Graduation Crown Tiara and Sash kits.
This set promises to add a touch of elegance and celebration to any graduate's big day. Let's start with what you get in this kit. A dazzling princess tiara and an elegant satin sash, both adorned with the class of 2024 insignia. The tiara features intricate metalwork with faux diamonds, while the satin sash is sturdy and printed beautifully. Together, they make for a stunning combination that will surely make any graduate feel special. The tiara is crafted from durable metal and sparkles with faux diamonds, intricately carved with grad letters. The satin sash, printed with class of 2024, is made from high-quality material, ensuring reliability and longevity. The tiara is adjustable to fit most head circumferences comfortably, and the sash is designed for easy wear without the need for pins, thanks to its stitched ends. Whether it's for a graduation photo booth, a memorable gift, or simply to add flair to the party, this set is versatile and designed to impress. The Yinkin 2024 Graduation Crown Tiara and Sash kits stand out not only for their beauty but also for their practicality. They're easy to use, universally appealing, and designed to withstand multiple uses, making them perfect for capturing the special moments of graduation day. To sum it up, if you're looking to make a graduation party truly memorable, the Yinkin 2024 Graduation Crown Tiara and Sash kits are an absolute must-have. They combine elegance with practicality, ensuring that every graduate feels like royalty on their special day. Don't miss out on adding these to your celebration checklist.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy celebrating!